Good morning, children. This is the time to learn the conversation questions. Parents, make your child to turn this page number 53. Miss is going to teach you all the 10 questions totally. Okay, children? Okay. See what is the monkey is doing. What is the monkey doing? Monkey is swinging. It's swinging. ஊஞ்சல் மாதிரி ஆடிட்டு இருக்கா? Monkey is swinging. What is the elephant is doing? Elephant is walking. See this? Snake is there. Snake is crawling. The dog is playing. See the two zebras, they are all fighting. The cow is eating. The sheep is sleeping. The tortoise and the frog is swimming in the water. See, this is the pictures we have given here, and we are going to learn the questions. Okay, children? Okay. What is the cow doing? See, what is the cow doing? The cow is eating grass. How will you say? The cow is eating grass. The cow is eating grass. Second question. What is the monkey doing? The monkey is swinging. ஊஞ்சல் விளையாடுனா எப்படி பண்ணுவீங்க? monkey விளையாடும்போது எப்படி பண்ணோம்? ஒரு கம்பத்தில் தொடும்போது monkey is do like this, swinging. Monkey is swinging. Third one. What is the deer doing? The deer is running. Deer என்ன தெரியுமா? மான். The deer is running. You have to do the action. The deer is running. The deer is running. What is the goat doing? The goat is sleeping. See? The goat, white color. The goat is sleeping. The goat is sleeping. Then what is the elephant doing? The elephant is just walking. You have to do like this. You have to show this. Your elephant is walking. The elephant is walking. The elephant is walking. Next one is, what is the tortoise doing? Tortoise means ஆமை. The tortoise is swimming. எப்படி swimming காமிக்கணும்? Swimming. The tortoise is swimming. The tortoise is swimming. Next one is, what is the dog doing? The dog is playing. See, the dog வந்து ஒரு பால் வச்சு விளையாடுதா? The dog is playing. Play பண்ணும்போது காலை தூக்கி கையை தூக்கி பால் எல்லாம் தூக்கி போட்டு விளையாடுவீங்களா? அது மாதிரி ஆக்ஷன் காமிக்கணும். The dog is playing. What is the frog doing? Frog என்ன பண்ணுது? தண்ணில ஜம்ப் பண்ணுதா தவளை? Frogனா தவளை. The frog is jumping. You have to do the action. The frog is jumping. Next one is, what is the zebra doing? ரெண்டு zebra என்ன பண்ணுது? சண்டை போடுது. The zebra is fighting. Do like this. Fighting. The zebra is fighting. So again I will tell you one more time. What is the cow doing? The cow is eating grass. What is the monkey doing? Monkey is swinging. What is the deer doing? Deer is running. What is the goat doing? Goat is sleeping. What is elephant doing? Elephant is walking. Elephant எப்படி நடக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி நடந்து காமிங்க. Elephant is walking. What is the tortoise doing? Tortoise is swimming. What is the dog doing? Dog is playing. Dog is playing. Next one is, what is the snake doing? Snake என்ன பண்ணுது? Snake is crawling. Crawling என்ன தெரியுமா? அப்படி வளைஞ்சு போகும் தெரியுமா? அது பேர் தான் crawling. Snake இப்படி காமிங்க. Snake is crawling. Snake is crawling. Next one is, what is the frog doing? The frog is jumping. What is the zebra doing? Zebra is fighting. What is the zebra doing? Zebra is fighting. Children, in the rhymes pages, you have to learn this vegetables, carrot, peas and broccoli. And after a bath, I write. The two rhymes is enough. And see, in this page, you have to learn this: hop a little, row a boat, and then two little dicky birds. I'll teach you one more rhyme: polar bear. That's all the rhymes. It gets over. You leave the other rhymes and all. Try to learn only 8 rhymes. Polar bear, where will you sleep? See how I will do the action. Polar bear, where will you sleep? I will sleep in my cave until I am ready to eat. I'll sleep in my big cave until I am ready to eat. Polar bear, what will you eat? What will you eat? என்ன சாப்பிடும் polar bear? I will eat a big seal. Seal என்ன தெரியுமா? ஓஷனில் இருக்கும், அது ஒரு பெரிய ஃபிஷ் மாதிரி இருக்கும். சீல்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. போலார் பேர் தான் சாப்பிடும். I will eat a big seal for my morning treat. I'll tell you one more time. Polar bear, what? Polar bear, where will you sleep? I will sleep in my cave until I'm ready to eat. Polar bear, what will you eat? என்ன நீ சாப்பிடுவ? What will you eat? I eat a big seal for my morning treat. இந்த ரைம்ஸ் என்ன செய்யணும்? நீங்கள் படிக்கணும். ஏன்னா இது உங்கள் யூடியூப்பில் இந்த லிங்க் இல்லை, நான் பார்த்தேன். ஐஸ்கிரீம் ரைமு, காட் பிளஸ் மம்மி 4 லைன் மட்டும் படிங்க, அது மட்டும் போதும். மற்ற இந்த ரைம்ஸும் வேணாம். இருக்கிறது ஹாப்பர் லிட்டில், ஆக்ஷன் சாங்கு, ரோ ரோ ரோயா போட், போலார் பேர் 2 little dicky birds, vegetables ரைம்ஸும் ஆஃப்டர் அபவுட் 6 ரைம்ஸ் இஸ் enough for this செகண்ட் டேர்ம். யார் ஃபீஸ் கட்டலையோ பேரண்ட்ஸ் ப்ளீஸ் சீக்கிரமாக ஃபீஸ் கட்டி செகண்ட் டேர்ம் புக்கு இந்த மந்தோட நீங்கள் 20th ஃபீஸ் கட்டி புக்கு வாங்கியிருக்கணும். அப்போ தான் உங்களால் ஆஃப் இயர்லி எக்ஸாமினேஷன் எழுத முடியும். Parents see that, try to pay the fees as early as possible and try to get the second term book. When you pay the fees only, you will be getting the second term book. Otherwise, it is not possible. Thank you, parents, and thank you.